6:30. Piss the bitch.
Are we live now? Bring my mic. Meaning right.
This boy tripping.
Why around here, man? Yo, I need a stream mixer so I change my voice. It's fire.
I can't believe Playboy Cardi's training right now. I can't believe it.
It's gonna be a young Cardi now. You having a boy or a girl, Don? I know you know his whole life.
He has a boy. He has a little Cartier. Little Cartier.
Little Cartier.
Cody.
Yeah, press enter. It didn't like do anything. It just stayed the same, but I don't know if that's.
Did you use pending orders though? No. Okay, so you click you obviously open calc.
Market pending.
Yeah, you click market pending. Dread a yellow line around buy server. So make sure it makes sense, and then click enter, and then boom, it pops up.
Okay, I click enter and like nothing happened.
Really?
Like it's just staying the same. It's just staying the same.
Good morning.
Is it staying the same? Really?
Yeah, it's just staying the same.
Let me try. Actually, I don't want to do that right now. Actually, because I'll pop up my MT5 as a. Hold on. Open calc. Market pending. Well, what are you market pending though? A buy stop, sell stop. What do you do?
Buy
like,
stop.
Really? It's not working?
30, 15 30 look like it should have been a flip bullish. No
It's not working for real?
Yeah, it's just not working. Like it doesn't even pop up with anything that
Oh,
says
my
it's not
bad.
working.
Click open trade. Try that.
Oh, just click open trade.
Does it work? Oh yeah, open trade works.
Yeah,
Buy
it
stop works. Yeah.
Oh, bless, it works. Okay.
Yeah, I just tested it out.
Let's go.
All right, so GJ here. Made some type of support here. You know, tap this. Kind of had no top work, so this could be a pullback to go up. So 30 minutes, but like 1 hour hasn't closed yet, so we don't know how low this count's gonna go. But if we do break the highs of 30 minute here, which closed bearish before, we could come up to this destination right here. So, meaning, I will look for a potential buy stop for a GJ above this 30 minute high, anticipating that this is going to be the 1 hour low to go up if it does flip bullish, because we don't know how low this 1 hour is going to go. So, potential buy stops right there. If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like. That's my day.
Hey, yo, bro, check your phone real quick.
Dash is digital. God damn, bro. What happened? Oh. Yo, no one's ready for that New York video from 6 months ago, man. No one's ready for that. Of course, no one's ready for that.
Yo, Dom, what's like the market controller? What even was that?
It was a course.
Yeah,
It was an in-person course.
Oh, I thought it was like some next shit.
Nah, bro, it's an in-person course. The video dropping like this week, I think. Like,
very soon.
yeah, pretty heat. We just delayed the video, but it is done. So yeah, I'm doing a giveaway for a simulation. News coming soon. News coming.
Looking at it.
Free simulator.
Alright. Hopefully jerk goes my way. I was eating yesterday.
All you gotta do is free your mind.
I can't wait for 2 more weeks.
What happens 2 more weeks, my brethren?
They took out the stitches today off my finger.
Bruh.
Bruh. I remember when you first posted, I'm like, yo, I saw you smiling. I was like, alright, this man got some good news. This man was like, hey, bro, look real quick. This man was gonna review his fucking hand. Oh my god, bro. That's it.
Crazy.
Gut shit. Like, oh man, that shit's funny.
2 weeks, I get the pin out my hand.
Jay's flow. Is that Jay?
There's too much J's, bro. Jay in the cut.
Yeah,
Jay,
there's a lot of J's. There's a lot of
Jay,
J's.
the fucking Dominican one. It's too much J's. J1, J2, J3. Look at that.
So what could happen here for GJ is, since was talking about biceps earlier, that might not happen, but what can happen here is GJ could create some type of support down here. Oh, shit, my bad. GJ could create some type of support down here because they may have resistance here. So now you're gonna have a range, right? And from this range, all you gotta do is wait for a breakout to the top or break it to the bottom, because this daily candle, first daily candle closed bearish, so this kind of shook into him bearish, but it closed a no bottom wick, so we don't know where this is gonna go yet, right? So in order for us to say that we're bullish on GJ, we'll need this bullish candle obviously break the high here, so maybe tomorrow or something, if it does come up, or it might continue bearish. So this daily candle no bottom wick here just means that 50-50 of going up or down. Obviously it has some type of rejection at the support level anyway, so if this I think as long as we respect this low, we should go up today. But if we break this low, we're going back all the way down. So potential move down if you do break the lows here to 130, 920, then eventually 130, 800. But you just need some, you need to wait for some type of support because we have no indication showing us that we're buying stuff. Maybe here, it looks like the next support level, so this could be it, but it could actually come down to the full range. See what happens here.
Dang, I already got stopped out. Yeah.
Oh wait, you got in?
Nah, I've been good.
Oh. Oh no, yeah, that'd be.
80s, 70s.
You know what, bro? I think I found some copyright-free music. I'm gonna play that shit.
No.
I'm gonna change up this live stream music. I gotta download a bunch of stuff.
Play some hotel music, background music. You be straight.
Hold on, bro. You trying to make me fall asleep again, man?
I around town. Bring my mic.
Or just play some SoundCloud music.
Sir, I cannot do that.
Falling like Curry. Look at this.
Nah, you can't play no Cardi, but like some SoundCloud, some under rappers, underground
I
rappers.
can play I can play unreleased Cardi, but I will still get YouTube will find a way. This sounds like the baby voice Cardi. We are taking down your video.
Motherfucker.
I won't waste your time.
Free my mind.
So potential today, 61 pips for a buy. If it goes for a buy. And if
What,
it goes for a
30?
sell,
30?
if it goes for a sell, 42 pips for today. I'm done. If it breaks out, there's a range.
30?
Yeah.
Yo, gold made the cleanest resistance and cleanest support. Like, not cleanest, but like this looks pretty clean. Pretty much showing us that gold's pretty much telling us right now that if you break the high, we're going up. If you break the low, we're going down. That simple. Yeah.
Very.
Gold kind of closes bullish. Obviously, we're aiming for an upside push today. Probably when it price breaks 1705. You know, last night during Asian, we tried to move coming up. We caught like a good I think 20, 25 pips, 20 pips. From right up, I stop over here. Then obviously we took profits up here, and then today we're gonna try to move again. Maybe once our candle closes bullish like this, you could say we are going up. This, and then eventually coming up, tap this resistance up here. Oh, there's a lot to come today. Yeah, I didn't catch an early bird today. Didn't wake up in time for GJ buys. So, yeah. Days on go a little bit slower here.
I think GJ found support.
You think?
15-minute.
You think, sir?
Oh my bad. I know.
2 more minutes. Come on, let's see
What do you
what
think?
happens.
What do you think?
I think I'll wait for it to close bullish first. Cause we don't know how far it's gonna go down here. Or in the fact that I rejected this I think area. But let's see. That has no top wick, so could be a down go up. Let's see. If this 15-minute closes bullish, I'll have a bias up here and boom, we're going back. You know? So let's see what happens in 2 minutes. Cause if the 15-minute does close bullish here, then it's gonna look something like this. That wick down, and then you now have some type of support. And then all you gotta do here,
5-minute open with no bottom wick.
no top wick. You mean? Oh no, about
Wait,
five
is it
five
any
minutes.
news
5
today?
minutes.
Yeah, no 5 minute.
5 minute. News. There's Fed Powell speaks at 9 a.m. But you know,
We're done by.
we done by 8:30, man. We won't trade after that. No.
Bet your pound.
There's news
My
if you
boy
don't speak.
Jerome.
Account blower.
Account blower or
Shot
account,
caller.
account recover or account blower. It depends on how he feels.
Come on, go a little bit of bullish. Please.
Bro, it's this dude that lost like, I think like 10 mil off that oil sale that happened like a week ago.
Man.
So, yeah.
Rip.
Yeah, cause his system, whatever.
Oh,
It's
his
supposed to
system
stop.
told him that the EMA bounced off the blue EMA, which means that it bounced
like
off
his
the
algo
61.
or whatever. It was supposed to like close the trade, but it dropped so fast that the trade couldn't close, so he lost like hella. I'm like, damn.
Yeah.
Nah. What's the DXY looking at right now?
If you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like. You know, we're waiting for GG here. I didn't catch your first trade yet, so you guys gonna witness first trade of the day here with me.
Fibonacci.
Bibbo! Bibbo, yeah!
Yo,
He's on the
this
film
man
there,
Don
yeah.
is trading hits right in front of us, and we're not taking it serious. Look
Bro,
at
this
that
is
man.
my career, bro. Force is just my, you know, it's my career is I wanna be a,
Forex
I
is
want
your job,
I wanna be a
rapping is
full-time
your
ablibber.
career.
Ablibber.
Ablibber.
Abdominal liver looking at us.
Oh yeah. It's lit.
Like, you know, I don't know. La Flame could never looking at us.
The flame.
La Flame. That's splat.
Yeah. I woke up tired as hell, but I'm awake now.
Yeah. 29 pip stop loss for 43 pips. That ratio is fucked up.
I mean, that's a 2 to 1.
Risk reward. Yeah.
Alright. It is currently coming back into my golden zone.
But it broke range, so it's going down.
Right. GJ is coming back into my golden zone. It's about to get wicked.
Right around town, that beat. Right by mine. The timely shine. been a raging day so far. Your NZD did not have a nice break. Yeah. Your NZD. I don't really watch that pair as much. But yeah, GG's been moving pretty decent though. Not bad. Bullish pendant on gold daily. I don't know what that means. I mean,
Sir?
it closed
Mark?
bullish.
Then check my brethren.
I don't know what that means, but I can tell you that it closed bullish with a nice, you know, nice wick. So if Atlanta respects low, it should go up to there. But I don't know about bullish pending here. But I think, yeah, once we break this, we should be good. People are dropping the likes. People are liking the video because I like to be out. Like I'm doing my ab libs. Telling you, bro. The like is better than trading. Alright, yeah, we're doing a new thing today. The amount of pips we get, I mean, the amount of likes we get is the amount of pips we're gonna get. If you guys want pips, like it up. If you guys don't want pips, you know, I don't know about that.
No likes, no pips. Nah.
Okay. Okay. Nice, alright. Catch him. Alright, let's see what happens here. If the gold 1 hour closes bearish here, oh yeah, you could add damn, maybe this is it. 11. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, $30 in profit. Skinny. Bro, I tried to do my FX book. That shit did not work.
Wait, huh? You put it
Alright,
right
I'm
info?
Bro, it don't let me. It don't show me like no ad account, none of that.
What?
Bro, this shit's tripping me out.
Hold on.
It pissed me off yesterday.
No, it's like this. You go on my FX book, then you click on portfolio.
Yeah, and it don't pop up. It say no data.
What?
Bro, it don't say no ad account, none of that.
Wait,
Bro, I got
it doesn't
bro,
say
I can
ad
take-
account either?
bro.
That's
look at this shit.
racist.
I'm about to send it to what you call it.
That's racist.
Bro, I got mad as shit yesterday.
Damn.
Like I sent it to the chat.
Damn. Wait, on the you went on the website yet? And then
No, I just downloaded the app.
yeah, you're supposed to go on your PC, then click on add account on the portfolio thing.
Oh,
And then-
okay. So I got
yeah,
it
yeah.
on PC.
Yeah, you have to do it on
Okay.
PC. Yeah.
Should do it on your phone, boy.
Yeah, I tried to.
Peace the glitch in that one.
Yeah, because I want to see how good I'll be doing, bro.
I mean,
You gotta. The more organized you are, the better you are. And you put that in your ad libs.
What?
peace the glitch.
Huh?
Yep.
What? What? A what? A what? Looking at it. Alright. Let's see what you can do, baby boy.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Now
God.
Taj in that bitch.
I don't feel like doing ad libs today, bro. Not gonna be doing ad libs
What?
today.
Alright, I caught a 3% today
Sure.
off one trade. A what? Yo, what the hell is it? One eight.
Jared, just fly down so I can take profit and I'm done.
Boop, 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 boop,
I
boop.
just want 1% today. That's it. Bro, I've been looking at oil.
That pair brings nightmares.
Where's sound go? Guys, sound didn't say one word.
One word. Please.
Huh, yeah, I'm here. Bro,
What's
I
up?
can't handle the baby voice at 6 in the morning.
Huh?
Friends are tired.
Yeah, I was tired of shit too.
Bruh. Y'all should not be tired, bro. I'm the only one that should really be tired. Man. Yo, that drive felt like fucking hours today, bro. You know that shit was like 20 minutes. That shit felt like a fucking hour. Like, yo, I'm fucking tired. I ain't getting no sleep.
Moving, bro. Oil. Oil trashy, bro. Unless you don't know what the hell you doing.
Yes,
This is a big ass range. Not doing it.
freaking GJ in the free ass range right now.
Gold is in a huge ass range. What are gold spreads right now? Let me check.
Gold is scared right now. Scary hours.
Is that how it goes? Funny song.
After hours.
Oh, after hours, bro. I'm trying scary hours, bro.
That's your artist.
Future drop an album.
I know tomorrow.
Yes.
Jeez.
I needed this month. How
Yo,
can you make?
On things on it, Cardi.
Uzi
Cardi's on
it?
it?
I don't know.
Uzi on that bitch.
Uzi's on it, bro. I know Uzi's on it. That's like the first feature album Uzi's on, I swear.
Nah.
I swear it was. He's never on a feature album. The Baby Pluto is.
Who's gonna feature? No, I don't think he was on an album.
Really? I doubt
They
it.
done bare tracks together though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he was on the DJ Esco future album.
Oh, yeah, that. Oh, that's
Too Much Sauce.
that. Oh yeah, that song. That's too much. Yeah. I was listening to that DJ Esco last night.
That's a banger.
Bro, DJ Esco, cool DJ.
Yeah, I was listening to DJ Esco last night. Alright, so yeah, on
The
SoundCloud.
one that's like married to the game and shit.
The one with ET, yeah.
Back to business.
Alright, guys. My analysis was correct. GG came down to make some type of support here, you know, closed bearish at resistance, next candle respect the high. Came down tapping the support, so now we have a stronger support, so let's see what happens. The 1 hour's unclosed bearish here though, so the chance of us coming down further is quite high. Like for us to go up, we'll definitely need
It looks
some
like
type
it's trying to
of
fill that wick right there. One at 140. I mean not 140. 131, 417. Looks like it's just gonna go fill that. And whatever happens like that, happens. 80, 40.
Bro, I need to give me a gaming chair so I can start getting out the bed when I'm trading.
Sure?
Bro, 'cause I think your trading mentality changes when you sit in a chair.
Well, obviously, who the fuck trades from a bed?
No, I do.
Well, who the hell trades from a? Yeah, you guys.
Bro, I
You
stopped
guys.
laying down and trading.
Bro, when I'm
It's
really
fun.
tired, I just hop in my bed and I just do it.
I don't hop on my bed.
The worst thing is hopping in bed and go on your phone and trade off your phone. That's the worst thing you can do.
Well,
If
I
you're-
don't do that.
Nah, seriously, dude.
I set up all my ranges and zones and all that shit. Then I go from there.
Yeah, you can do that too. But if yo,
Just chill.
I don't think there's a profitable trader out there that probably just trades off their phone all day, like on their bed.
Lock, bro.
Nah, he has charts, I think.
So I got them support charts.
Yeah, really gotta get up and do this shit. Alright, talk about it. If you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like. You know, I'm waiting for GJ here. Waiting for gold. Been ranging since the early bird this morning. It's a Wednesday, so what happened? I want some fried chicken too. I'm gonna get some Popeyes after this. Get myself a 5-piece combo.
Popeyes.
Eat that shit.
This shit dry as hell.
What?
Talking about,
What?
you talking about falling
You-
asleep when you're not-
You probably get like white meat or something. That's why the chicken's so dry for you.
Yeah, go
Bro,
eat
white
that
meat's
bread.
the best.
That shit tastes like ass.
Go eat that biscuit just by
Sir?
itself.
Nah, man.
Go eat
The
that
dark
biscuit.
meat is no homo, but the chicken
Whoa.
the chicken
This
you
guy.
know the chicken
Homo. Like a lot.
nah the yeah, like I can't eat like the dry chicken. Close under equals
This dry chicken.
ENT, I don't know what that means. TP at next support, which is the green zone. Yes, that could possibly happen since the hours closed bearish. Just be aware of this support right here. Oh, be aware of this support right here, and then you're gonna have another support, like yeah, obviously down here. But be aware of this, because this is like a lot of traffic in here. So oh, entry, true. Yeah, I never heard of ENT. Never knew that meant entry.
GCAD had nice sells.
Oh, a GCAD, I forgot about that pair. GCAD, what are you doing today? Damn. Yeah, GJ had nice sells too. On the 15. Closed bearish at resistance. Broke the lows. That would have been a good entry. Yeah, GCAD's at this pussy weapons here. Oh, EJ, damn. This was a potential move here. We missed it. 10 pips. What?
Last year I was at a fucking Lil Uzi concert on this day.
Hey, oh, in Atlanta? Cardi come out?
Rolling Loud.
Oh, Rolling Loud. Oh shit, we closed the hourly candle closed there. So we closed bearish, so a potential move would like the move if you're wanting to buy, you'll need to have a buy stop above here. Because right now we have no confirmation for a buy. But it would be like around 20. Be around 24 for 24. Something like that. See what happens. I was on Wilson live stream for a little, and that was saying that false breakout resistance for gold means it's likely to break out a range of support. True. I could tell you that if a candle breaks above here for GJ for gold, we're gonna go up. Continue up to here. That's just resistance because now you got some clear traffic here.
And when it breaks, he breaks. Yep.
If you guys enjoying the
There's a
streams,
like
leave a
button.
like. Leave a
Don't
like.
leave a follow. Just leave a
Oh yeah,
follow.
subscribe. I think
Leave a follow. Make your own train. You feel me?
Alright.
Over here looking at
see what-
necklaces and shit.
So a potential move on GG would be, like you could have a buy stop here above the 1 hour high, or if the 15-minute candle closes bullish at support here, chance and it breaks the high here like this, the next candle has a high chance to come back to retest the high. And this would be a potential move.
What?
Check out 13 pip move.
It is the biggest freaking money trip right now. Go this thing.
Gosh, why is your mic so loud, bro?
I got, bro. To be honest,
Ivan,
this is new case I got.
you got earphones?
I do, but I don't know where they at. It's dark in this room.
A flashlight for a reason, you know. Like, just all you gotta do is go on your iPhone, click the bottom left screen.
I'm part of my headphones, bro. I don't know what the hell they at.
I'm not trying to hear no bed and cloth rubbing, you know, on the mic of the iPhone. Like, this shit. No viewers want to hear that.
They want to hear your ab lips looking at it.
Imagine going to stream and just hearing. No one wants to hear that.
Better?
I don't know. We gotta give it a sample size of 1 hour first. Lock. Not a chart in the chat. What are you doing? What are you getting? Euro AUD.
I can't
Damn.
read this shit. What the fuck?
Euro AUD he got for himself. Oh
Yo, what am I
wow.
looking at, my nigga?
I don't even know, bro.
What does he shoot?
He's hopping the streams, bro. Hopping.
What is this?
This guy fucking gone last night and left the stop loss open.
Nah, he put an entry. I mean, not an entry, but in profit. But he might get stopped out. It's time. Let's say who find the line. That's not twice, but I'll play this shit right now. Alright. I'll be right back. I'm trying to get some water.
Alright, bro.
Yeah. Oh.
Yo, Sam, looking at bias house for GJ?
Yeah, GJ and GCAD.
Looking at bias house potential here on a 15-minute.
Mm-hmm.
Looking for a buy stop here.
GCAD already broke the high in respect to the low.
Oh, GCAD's going up too.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm just wait until 15 closes.
Eight minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna wait too, cause the 15-minute high is at the 30-minute high as well. Yeah. See, yeah, we're gonna wait for the candle to close. Yeah, cause like it hasn't really touched the support here yet. Oh, see what happens. What we could do is actually what I could do is have a small position for the buy stop, and just when it kind of closes bullish, I enter a bigger position. Let's see. Because we did make some type of support here, I think. Gold going up. So, preferably I'll wait for the candle to close, but we are breaking the highs here. So, like, looking like we're breaking the 4-hour high here. So, looks like we're coming up. Same entry we had yesterday. Oh, prepare for takeoff. We're gonna approach 1710.
So
Yes,
tired
sir.
today, bro.
Man, big profits, baby. Big blues, big blues.
I wish gold spreads were just tighter, bro. I thought gold spreads returned to normal. These are not normal spreads. They're like, actually, yeah, it's kind of normal. 2 pips. Gold broke this resistance right here. You know, this right here, and this is the 4-hour high here. So now there's nowhere else to. Oh, there's some type of resistance here, but then after this, it should come up clearly to 1711, 1710 level, as mentioned earlier, right? Guys, prepare for takeoff. We are now approaching 1710. Because the daily looks like it's gonna come up to 1715, around there, right? 1710 would be a good TP though, because that's our next resistance. You could try to have a run until 1715, but I wouldn't recommend holding the whole position until 1715 because it can easily come down, just like it can easily come up. You want to put yourself in the better position. So the better position here would be having, you know, if you enter down here, having your TP1 here, close partials around here, and then the rest run to up here. Because then you'll be risk free and you secure profits. That's all that matters. If gold 15 closes bullish though, we have a potential entry, but we need to close above. Gold spreads aren't bad. Not bad. A lock? Who joined?
No, I just put it on my headphones. I muted myself.
It took you 15 minutes to put on headphones?
No, bro, I've been on. It's just, I just muted myself right now.
I'm playing.
We'll drop a thumbs.
Yeah, just drop the thumbs.
Drop the thumbs. Any thumbs.
Oh my god.
FX controller.
Now, what is you against us?
GCAD. Oh, GCAD broke the highest here. As support. Interesting. Yeah, what can happen here? Not bad. Because whenever price comes down, yeah, it looks like it could potentially retest the high here. Area. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. Wait for it. Close bullish. I think I look for potential entry. Hope we break this here.
You know, a small stop loss.
Hmm?
What is that? The 15? You gotta have a small stop loss.
No, I'm gonna wait for it. Yeah, it's gonna be like a 10 pip. If it does, close bullish and breaks the high here. Maybe a 10 pip stop, but doesn't, and there's no trade. Because if it closes weak bullish here, like this, you don't have, and it doesn't break the high, this next candle that breaks the low of that bullish candle is gonna go all the way down here. Then you see something like this, you know. But if this candle right here breaks the high here, then we have signs of it going up. See, gotta break the high here though. Could it make a push? Could GG make a push? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2. Oh, nope. So see, it closed bullish at support. Didn't break the high. So we have no trader. So what can happen with this next candle is, this GG candle is, if it does come down and breaks the low here of the 15, then this is when you can say we're gonna come down further. You're gonna have this support down here, and then eventually come down to this support down here, right?
Yeah.
How did gold close? Oh, gold closed bullish here.
Slightly.
15's that resist. 1, 2, 3, oh.
Copyright.
It was a lie.
1, 2, 3. Get the fuck out the stream. Look at that. You gotta get.
Mink, mink, mink.
You trying to get that. Hello, this is YouTube. It's Twitches. You cannot play
Yeah, that's
that.
buys, bro. That's gold, right?
Yes, I'm looking at this. Trying to see them. 30 minute hasn't
Gold
closed.
buys. Straight up.
No, bro.
Well,
Well,
let that candle close and see.
it's 100% still.
If a 30 minute, I want more of a 30 minute close, but yeah, like it looks clean on 15. This is traffic here. So this is the stop loss would be the 4 hour low anyways, which is the 15 minute low current candle, previous candle. It'd be like a. Let's see. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is bullish.
She said.
Spread 3 pips. Oh, GG's about to break the lows there. As we break the lows here, we may see a bearish trend coming down. So 131, 471.
Isn't there a CPI today? Today there is
I think so.
Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday there's big news. Today 8:30.
Hell yeah.
I'm in for a gold buy here.
Yes, sir.
Stops are 21 pips.
Damn, that's a big stop, my friend.
TP is here. A partial TP is gonna be yeah, like but like you have like no other choice, right? Because like that's a low of the current previous candle, the first 15-minute candle hourly. So you can anticipate that's hourly low, and also that's the 4-hour low as well. I mean, yeah, it's hourly low, not the 4-hour low. But yeah, 4-hour broke the highs. You know, so in position here for gold, taking partials around 17. Oh, we're pushing here.
Let's go.
1708.
Oh. Yo, Vantage is slacking, I swear to God.
What do you mean, sir? In profits, yeah.
Yo, messaged those guys last night. I'm like, yo, I want my withdrawal.
Oh shit! Gold.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Yeah, when it breaks up that range, it's a wrap,
Once
buddy.
once
It's going.
once
Oh.
gold here breaks the high here, right here, we should be good to go.
Done deal.
This breaks the high, we're gonna go. Right.
Claude.
Yeah, that boy throwing the football at it.
That just went. Oh. See what it does there. 30-minute like looks like what if the 30-minute closes bullish like this, it looks super clean. I'll be more comfortable taking a 30-minute kind of closure. So when a 30-minute closes bullish, if it does, I'm gonna pop another entry. Right now, I went like lower to my average lot size. So 30-minute closes bullish like this, the next candle's gonna come up. 15 day close bullish is just 30-minute looks a lot better. I dead off thought I was gonna come up to partial TP area right away. I'm like, ah, fuck.
8, 5, 6.
Closing. Oh, making a pusher. Cause like now, like this kind of wick is gonna get filled, right? So when price gets to here, I'm gonna move stops to break even. When price gets to 1707.80, 60. Cause now on a smart time frame, this is like it looks like a wick fill. Let me move my magic keys. Hold on. Auto break even. Oh, spread. I can't even do it. Yeah, let's go here. Why not? Yeah, so on a smart time frame, this wick fill, all that it is just price retesting the high again. You know, it's just this is all that it is. Price coming up, price comes down, and now we have this bullish candle like this coming back up to retest the high. So when it retests the high on a small time frame, it's at a resistance. So that's why I'll move our stops to break even at that point, right? Because it is some type of resistance there. But it's a wick, so it has a high chance of breaking it. In profit here. Can we get 10 pips? Can we get 10 pips here on gold? Can we get 10 pips? Yeah, it's like the 11 times. We can get 11 pips. Sure, why not? I mean, 12 pips, not bad. We can get that. This is around 12 pips. Perfect. 12 pips on 13 pips. So you guys get a little bonus here if it comes up to this.
No bonus.
Who else got in? You guys got in?
Damn, that entry was so fucking clean.
What, GJ?
Yes.
I'm in GJ right now.
Oh,
Bruh,
it broke the
I entered
highs.
right at the bottom of that fucking candle right now. Jeez. Entry game get way more better, bro. Fucking lit.
Damn, 30-minute broke the
Yes,
highs.
sir.
30-minute broke the high here. Yeah, we're going up. 30-minute broke the high here. We're going all the way back up.
Whoa.
I'm moving my stops to entry on gold here.
This is
Right.
my last trade of the day right here.
Yes, sir. Alright, guys, I'm moving stops to break entry, break even on gold here.
I said her here, here.
Damn, GJ. Yeah, we broke this high here. Very good, very good. Very good. Come on, is gold gonna hit entry? I'm moving stops to entry because I want to wait for the 30-minute close. I don't want to risk the 15-minute coming down bearish, right? This makes sense because that's the if it does hit entry, it's gonna be a bearish candle. So I'll probably if it does hit entry, I'll wait for a 30-minute close and then eventually get another entry. Yeah, GG made support here, closed bullish, broke the highs. Looks like it's gonna come up to 131 and 700 area, I guess. 30 minutes about close, so and broke the high, so I can get another potential entry here on GJ. Yeah, 13 now. I'm here. What was my entry exactly? My entry was 130, 160.20. Mine was 0.20. Yep. There's two things can happen here on GJ. It can go up before a 30-minute closes, or which I hope it doesn't. I want an entry here, but if it doesn't, then you get an entry later on the next 30-minute candle. But looks like we're approaching that area right now. What you could do on GJ actually is just have a runner. Like you can take partials here at 131 and leave a runner because it has a chance of breaking this high. You continue to come up to here 131, 960. Coming up on gold here, guys. Good, cool. 8 pips, 9 pips. target if hold on. Target if 131
Should you about to break the
763.
hours?
Yep, it is. Let's see. Happiness resistance. Come on, gold. Make a push here. So the thing is that 15 is close. All we gotta do is survive the pullback. Our next candle. Go up as long as it doesn't hit entry. Alright, but I'm currently up like I think 5-7 pips. Yo, Sam, you had a buy stop on 30-minute, or you had a the 15-minute buy stop?
15-minute.
Oh.
I don't have a buy stop though. Yeah, I just market executed, but yeah.
Yeah, as it broke the 15-minute high, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was a pretty good entry.
Yeah, scared pull. 10 bips.
This is where you start securing profits here. As we are approaching this resistance. Good time to use profits. Move stops break even. Damn, who's Mike? Oh, that's Sam. Oh man, I hit entry here on gold. Gotta stop the entry. That was my first trade of the day. Break even. It was like barely like not even 10 pips of profit. It was spreads. And there we close partials, but I did push that break even. Right, but 30-minute did close bullish here. What do you got here? GJ. 7:30, okay. 8 a.m. coming. See what happens here. Oh, gold's pushing here. Yeah, once gold breaks this, it's a clear. Clear. Why does gold look like this is like a 40 pip range, but there's like a 10 pip it's like nothing for gold. Looks like it's like a 50 pip move, 40 pip move. Or like a 30, 25 pip spreads.
Yes, sir.
Went up.
Ten lot, 6 racks. Fuck.
That's like, how many pips? 60 pips? Like 60 pips. Ain't that 60 pips? Yeah,
Huh?
that's 60 pips.
What?
10 lot. 60
10
pips.
lot. 10 lot. 6,000. 6.5 exit. Damn. Big ass.
Who threw a 10 lot? Which man did a 10 lot? Did Don do a 10 lot?
No, bro.
What?
Full margin. Yeah. I don't even know pussy. He do full margin, bro.
Yo, how long does it take for you to get advantage to drop?
3 to 5 business days. They should
35 business days? Damn. Like,
But
Three-
when do you, when do
3
you
to
get
5.
like when do you get like an email from them?
Like
The day after or?
no, you get it on the day. Like you get like a email they made a withdrawal, and then
Yeah,
you get a
withdrawal
you get a
email.
confirmation email later that
Yeah,
went through.
I freaking messaged these guys last night.
I said, I'm gonna vote with you. I'm gonna vote with you.
Yeah, but these guys aren't even doing anything.
Bro. Your support line been blowing up all day, bro. Give them a break.
Yeah, what I missed? Couldn't go to sleep last night after I woke up. I had a sleep paralysis, and when I finally did, I overslept first live. Nothing. You just missed the, gold hit entry, but it came 10 pips,
Sleep
then
paralysis.
got stopped at entry here, but okay.
The amnesia monster.
Amnesia monster. Okay.
We're moving a little funky here. All right, let's see. Did I already kind of close bullish like this? I hope it closes with a nice wick. We can come up on a nice candle. Come up, tap that, New York open. So if this were to happen here, we close bullish like this. This next candle will probably break it.
The feds are talking at 9 p.m. I mean 9 a.m. boys.
Straight at 9 a.m. though.
The feds talking at 9 a.m.
I don't trade with the feds. I'm finna go to bed.
See what
You wanna
happens
come out
here.
here?
Yep, you might come out here.
Can't you play like the 24-hour stream shifts or no?
You want me to stream for 24 hours?
No,
I
I'm
got
talking
you. I
about, like,
got
the
you.
music. I'm talking about the music.
What?
You know how you have like 24-hour
FOREX streams?
streams of like music?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You can't play those or
I don't think so. I gotta give credit. I don't know. I'm not sure. I gotta check.
Yeah. Hell no. 24 hours of chain forex, bro. You're done, bro.
I'm gonna do that one day. Let's do the 24-hour challenge. Who's down for that?
Unemployed people, not me.
What's our breaks?
Never.
Breaks are Asian session breaks.
That
You got
1
some
hour.
more.
3 breaks per day.
That 1 hour, bro.
For to catch
Fucking, I'm down. But you gotta stick with one trade. I mean, one pair.
Yeah, GG. I do it all day. That's all I do all day in this. GG. Not gonna do 24 hours, bro. That's like
24 hours.
That's-
FOREX stream. Get ready, boys. That 1,000 subscriber special. Whoops. Looking. Hell no.
Yeah, what's the giveaway?
I'm doing a giveaway for
Magic
a
keys.
simulator.
Giveaway some magic keys.
No.
Simulator.
Nah, you gonna give away these hands. Magic keys?
Yeah, bro.
Nah, bro.
Where's manager?
You can buy like 10 of those. Man. You're literally like one TP away.
I know. I'm trying to hit. Oh, shit. Yeah, Jersey is messing around right now, bro. Those negative 13 pips. $80.
That's
Damn.
it. Jared's messing around.
It is.
Yo, I don't know why I hate when people say that. I hate when people say, "Man, this player's playing too much." Like it's not doing anything. It's just not.
Ranging.
Me?
Yeah.
It's
Well, who-
ranging, bro.
Who
I
put
hate when people
who
say that.
who put themselves in that position, Taj? You? Come on now.
I got my stops and everything. I'm just ready for it to TP. That's it.
When mans are like, man,
Not even they're like
too much. Or
They're
this
like-
pip to drop or whatever. Man.
like man, this broker just manipulated my entry, man. Man, I missed my buy limit by 1 pip. If you're watching it so
Man.
hard, why don't you just market execute? These things that people
That's
just,
why I don't do limits, bro. I just straight execute. Fuck.
Man, people who say that, I hope your account blows up.
Whoa, chill. Chill.
no, it's good. Kinda true though.
Man, I don't know, man. I don't do limits, stocks and all that shit. Just straight like
Stoinks.
smocks. Okay.
Well, for me, like it's kind of the same thing because like I'll enter a trade if it breaks a certain high. It's like just saying market execute. Yeah, you could do that too, but if you just have a buy stop, same concept, same entry level. But like I don't set a buy stop and let it go overnight. That's just like pure gambling. Pure gambling.
Yep.
Like I have it as I'm watching it, so I can get the best precise entry.
Once it breaks this 15-minute high.
Yeah, once gold breaks the 1 hour high, it should be good. That's a 15-minute high too.
I'm talking about GG.
Yeah, GJ. Once GJ breaks his 1 hour high, it's going up. Nice. Gold approaching 1708.96, guys. Yeah, that's good. You know, I never got a second entry here on GG though. I mean on gold though. This kind of went up too fast for me. Had no.
Repair, bro.
It went up right away. Yeah, I got stopped at entry right before the candle closed, and then the candle just went up after. I'm just watching it. Yeah, going up though. Oh, we broke the highs here.
Up to 30 and 15. Oh, is that our break too? Oh yeah.
Yep, I had a buy stop here on gold on GJ.
What's your TP looking like?
Up here. But probably gonna close partials when let's see, 10 pips. Yeah, I'm closing partials around this area. Stay around here as we fill that wick. Perfect. Because I had a buy stop here because you know this is the 1 hour high. here. 1 hour high close bearish. We're breaking that 1 hour high, so we should continue up if you want to go up. Here.
Let's go.
It's like a 11 pip stop. My stop loss is based off of the current 30-minute high, 30-minute candle. Ideally, it would be better if it's the 1 hour low of the current candle. No, but I'm going with the 30-minute here. Like for gold, same concept, you know. The 15-minute, I mean, the 1 hour broke the high and it respect that current candle.
Oh my god.
What?
Look at fucking GJ. Rocket.
Yep.
Jeez.
Alright guys, we are currently approaching in profit here. You guys could remain calm and let the trade run.
Yes, sir.
You know, trade idea given out. Mentioned.
Close high. Got them 10 pips.
Oh man, your UD's dropping even more. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
That's profits. Ended at current 15.
I'm like 3 pips, 2 pips in profit for GJ.
GJ broke the 4 hour high too. So like this right here, if you guys look on GJ, is a clean traffic move. Right here. Right?
I'm gonna hold it for the boys.
Right there. Why is this zone so fat? Oh, there we go. You're wrong. Perfect. You know, so like right here, you know, you have this scenario right here. If I break this down for you guys, this all together is basically just one candle looking like this. Like boom. Now what this did over here, this push here that broke the high, retest the high and broke the high, is basically just a candle. The next candle came up, filled that wick, and eventually broke the high. So now we're heading approach the next target, right? Because whenever price goes up, it has to make some type of resistance to continue to come up. It has to make some type of resistance support. So it made a resistance up here, then it made a support down here, and then it retested the high. And whenever it retested the high a second time, it has a higher chance of continuing up, right? AK, you guys would call it, oh, it's a 61.8 fib level. You know, same concept.
Hell yeah.
$15-minute close bullish here. Nice. What's TP? 131.962. Perfect. The gold tap? Not yet. Gold is about to tap the 1710 level. It's a good day when gold and GG both goes up, you know. Alright guys, you guys could I think we're like
Wow.
boop 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 boop. Yeah, we're like 7 pips in profit. Nice, perfect. I popped another entry when the 15 kind of form bullish here too. So I got 2 entries going on here. Right. Obviously, when we break this high, oh, there we go. Stops at break
Yes,
even.
sir.
That
Yes,
stop at
sirree.
entry. You know, close this,
Look,
close
put
this,
my-
close this.
Put my SL on profit under the previous bottom of candle. Like not the wick, but like literally on the, under the body of it. Then just gonna like let it
Yep.
go to TP.
I moved
I
stops to
think
break
that's
it.
going.
Yep.
Yo,
I closed half my
yo,
position,
shit.
and now I have this one
Yo,
running. Stops at
Yo,
break even.
what made your UD drop so hard, bro?
News
Don-
just came out.
The market maker done.
She dropped her panties, bro.
Yeah, news came out,
Oh
bro.
my god,
Look at it.
bro.
Look at FX.
For your UD?
Yeah, look it up.
No way, cause
News came out, literally.
cause I was in cell since London. Oh shit.
Bow.
Broken down
Oh shit.
and called on live stream.
Kinda buying a signed Crosby jersey, bro.
You said Bill Cosby jersey? Come on, dog.
Sidney Crosby, my guy. Oh, this guy's not Canadian. That's right. Yo,
Playing.
come on, guys. You know we got 5 members in this call. Jimmy,
I only know one.
Jimmy broke down the buys. Donvo broke down the buys. You know everyone took buys here.
Yo, Cosby?
Why would you sell?
Move was broken down.
I only know one. I only know one hockey player, and that's Wayne Gretzky. That's it.
Sure.
That's it. That's the only.
Sure.
That's the only hockey player I know.
Oh, we're pushing here, guys. Hoo 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 hoo. Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Yeah, we got room to go.
Yep. Perfect. 20 pips to go. Nice. So, you guys should be closing partials here. For the streamers. This is where I close partials here. I'll have a runner go into TP. You know, stops below the 15. I mean, I break even, which is at the 15-minute low. Yeah. This is how you stack trades, you know. You enter one down here, anticipating that we're gonna break the high, and once it actually closes bullish, you can enter in our
Man,
position.
I shouldn't put the SL.
Should woulda coulda.
Shoulda woulda coulda.
I have 2 entries. I'm
Shoulda
gonna
woulda coulda.
fully take one and then
Hey, you're
reject one.
Oh, I'm not recording the Zoom call. Oh my, that's okay. I got the YouTube.
That's my boy.
I got the YouTube replay up for breakdowns.
FOREX Factory. What's the news for a year? Like that shit just dropped. Past my TP.
If you guys like this call and breakdown, leave a like on the stream. You know.
Shit.
Saw that, right?
Yeah, who me?
Yeah, lock.
Yeah. I was in the cell. What was I saying?
Sniper entry. Looking at.
67, 583,
Sheesh.
and it is at 69, 11.
See, these are things that you should be happy about. It's
Oh,
not.
I'm
It's
so
not
happy,
even.
bro.
It's not even about the profits here. It's about breaking down a trade from the T.
T, bro.
I mentioned this trade way ahead of would be like I just say, oh, I have a you know, once CG breaks the high, we're going up. Like I talked about this like since like 7 a.m. I mentioned this 1 hour candle, it closed bearish, so I even drew the candles out accordingly. I said this candle's gonna close bearish here. Well, it closed bearish, and then the next candle breaks the high, we're going up, right? So then all you gotta do now is just go on a smarter time frame and look for potential entries. You know, this candle right here closed bullish, so we have it's at resistance, so we have no entry there yet. But then once this candle broke the high of this one and also this high as well, the 4 hour broke the highs as well. It was just a clean move up, and I mentioned how the 4 hour has a clean traffic candle going all the way up to TP. So this
Happy, man.
is what you should feel good about, not just the profits.
That's what I'm saying, man. So happy, man.
Yo, dead.
You know, and gold tapped the 1708 area, so you know.
So
But
close.
sadly, I gotta stop the entry.
No, I didn't get it on gold. Too scared to trade news.
Didn't you say you were like 2 pips in profit?
No, for GJ.
Oh, GJ. Oh.
Yeah. Well, now I'm not in 2 pips in profit anymore, but
Oh yeah, if you got core CPI and minor news coming in here.
got the Fed. The Fed
Oh.
Reserve.
So now if you guys look at the time, it's currently 7:52. It's about to be New York Open, so expect a push during New York Open to come up to TP.
Yep.
I'm saying that with big confidence. As long, obviously, for that to happen, price just has to close bullish here on the next 7-minute candle. Above
That wick fell.
131.796. As long as we close bullish above there, the next New York Open should push it up. You know, because if you guys look left, where is their traffic?
Yo, do you have my background music or no?
No.
What?
Alright, good.
If you guys look left of the charts, this move right here is a clean traffic candle. There's no
Got a
traffic.
little resistance right here, but should break
Yeah,
it
it's at my
after this
resistance.
hour.
Look at 5.
I think it good.
You have catalyst at 9 o'clock. Should help.
Sir, we are not gonna be in this trade by 9 o'clock. We're out of this trade probably by 9. It's when I hit TP by 9. I don't think it's gonna.
We're out by 8:50.
I don't think it's gonna take that long.
Bro, I'm already done for the day.
Bro, I finished my day at 12:01, bro. Come on now.
Well, I could have technically finished my day last night.
Bro, I technically already finished my
Yeah,
day, but
I finished my trading career already, bro.
Yo, you should have been here earlier. Like, this Don was ad-libbing like fuck, bro, for no reason.
Bro, I already finished my life. I'm on my second life still.
Look at that boy.
Copyright.
Biochemist. Alright, let's go, B. Last trade of the fucking day.
Alright, guys, give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna get some water.
Yes, sir.
If I come back and it hits TP, I don't know what to say.
I don't know, man. Alright. Alright, so right here. I got my arrows up. Once it broke this high, right here, you shouldn't have been put in the buy. Confirmation. It's tapped right here for a tweezer.
Tweezer? Tweezer top?
Yeah.
Let me look for
that pin bar.
some nice CAD JPYs. Let me see what I can find.
Oh my goodness. Wickfill. Perfect
Honestly,
Wickfill right
man.
here. Perfect Wickfill.
Yes, I'm up 130. Don, you made me 130.
Look at that. Look at that boy.
A man like Don made me bump once today.
My bad. I had to go push the markets real quick. I see we're approaching TP here.
Hey, Raj, you on your screen, my bad.
Hey, yo, guys. I am gonna be closing this trade off right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna close.
Oh, nah. I'm gonna let it run TP. Fuck that.
Yeah. You could let it run too.
I'm closing.
I'm closing right here, guys. Securing a good securing a good 20 pips on the dot.
My boy
So-
Jimmy doesn't close, and then it's gonna do the reverse god on him.
Bruh. Okay.
No, he's good. He's good. It should hit TP. He's good.
Yo, take in. I had buys at 131.368 last night. I freaking got stopped out when I was trailing my stop loss. So troll, man.
Alright, guys. If you guys enjoyed this trade, leave a like. We haven't missed one trade the whole week. We missed one trade since May. Only one trade since May. So
What trade was that?
it was last Tuesday. I forgot. I think it was GJ. But you know, every day come on live streams, get so-called signal, get a breakdown, get a full breakdown. I tell you guys where I'm entering, where I'm exiting. You know, where I'm putting the partials at. So you exit at the top. Now we're retracing. Exit because we're reaching this minor support right here, and I want to play the game of risking another like my profits for another like 2 pips. So I close right there.
Yeah.
There's a reason why I do things I do. I don't just just do stuff. But yeah, if you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like. You know, the whole team caught it here. Jimmy, Sam, Lock, whole team wears and buys. If you guys got on gold, congratulations as well. I mentioned the 30-minute, closing above, and boom, came up.
If Don eats, his boys eat with him.
I forgot to call a signal though. That's the thing I forgot to do for VIP.
Bruh, I'm dead. Ha.
Nah, like I forgot. Yeah, like if you guys watch the replay, like there's too much going on. Too much going on. Too focused on this, you know.
To be honest though, like
It's hard. It's
if
hard.
if people come on here, then like yo, good for you. You know what I mean? But like if you just expect a signal, then like
Yeah.
maybe.
If you come on here for learn, you're doing the right thing.
Yeah,
Well,
for learning experience, at least you're getting something with it too.
well, not the right thing, but you get. I wouldn't say the right thing, but
get
a better thing would be a better wording would be you have a better understanding
Yeah.
of yeah.
But if you're
You're here
learning,
for like knowledge. I'll fuck with that. But you just here
You're-
wait for
it's a lot of
signal
knowledge.
and whatnot,
Yeah.
I don't have respect for that.
because like if you're on a live stream for like 3 hours just to wait for one signal, like that 3 hours, you could have been like at least finding your own setups and stuff, doing your own thing.
Shout out to everyone watching here for educational purposes. Respect.
When you anticipate a move, you enter.
Hmm?
You enter. Hold on. You enter. But when it actually closes, you enter. It Alright, so GJ here. You guys looking at GJ right now is looking at his retracing, but
I love
this
when it
this
does
next
that.
50, yeah, I love it too. This next 50-minute
I know.
candle could pop up like this to come up to TP.
Yeah, that's what I love.
As long as it
That
respects
shit
the low
hit
here.
One hard resistance.
Yeah.
cap.
Got it at the top. Were you still in?
Who, me?
Not Jimmy. Yeah, like I closed. It was like 2 pips away from TP. I'm like, it's at these matters. This is. I'm like, I don't want to go through the stress.
No, if it breaks below this 15.
But the only thing you gotta worry about maybe is this 1 hour candle. The 1 hour low is all the way down here, so candle should come up based off the 15. You just gotta respect. Oh, it closed very weak. Oh shit. Yeah.
Hmm.
It closed below this range here. Yeah, I think
Wickfill.
that's the only trade I'm taking. Yeah, could be a wick though. 30-minute. Broken down with given entry. So like if you have a current position, yo, I'm gonna just add you to the call. Jay and cut. I got you.
Who?
Check your Zoom call. Jay and cut.
Who's that?
My guy. The boy.
Your boy?
We went to the New York course. Oh, by the way, the New York course, we have a sick video coming. Sick video.
Yeah. Shit hard, huh?
That shit hard.
Shit hard.
Yo, Jay and cut. Check your message on Telegram. I sent you a Zoom call. Because I know a lot of people have questions about how you scale into, how you add positions, so. We're getting a special guest here, guys.
Man said special guest.
Special guest in the call right now. But just make sure you're on a YouTube side too, so I don't lose viewers.
Bro, I'm gonna go make some coffee and get ready for class still. Pretty
What's
good
the
day.
video related to? Which video are you talking about? Which video, Sean? Yo, Jay, what up?
Yo, Jay. Unmute that mic, my boy. Uh-huh.
Yeah, my fault. Y'all can hear me now, right?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, it was good.
Yo, what up? What up?
Now, what's it called? So my question was like, so let's say if you have a runner running, right?
Yeah.
Do you sometimes go back and like add more to that runner?
Oh no. Like when I have a runner, I usually don't add a position, right? Because it just stopped at break even. That's the point of a runner, is to be risk free and just be careless about it. But
Yeah, so
like I answered.
I'm asking.
You're asking me how I scaled in, right? Right here.
Mhm.
Yeah. So like pretty much what I did was so you know obviously the candles never closed when I entered. It was still going. It was like the last like 20 minutes or something. I had a buy stop right here in the hourly high right here, and then that was my first entry. But as this candle came up and actually closed bullish, the 15-minute closed bullish here, like you see it right here, this candle right here, you see it?
Yeah.
As this candle closed bullish, I entered another position there with stop loss like wherever the previous candle was, like same stop loss. But yeah, that's how I entered another position because like you're just anticipating like when you have a buy stop or like when you're waiting for a break of a candle, it didn't actually like officially close, right? Obviously the chances of it going up increases because it's breaking the high of a candle, but it never actually closed. So once you actually get it closed, which is this candle right here, this is when you can add another position because now you know it officially closed below the range. I mean above the range. This is where you can kind of scale in.
What's it called? I'm asking because I got the entry
Down here, no?
below at the yeah.
Yeah.
So and then I took it 10 pips and had my runner running, right? But
Mhm.
my runner it broke through that
Resist.
broke through the resistance.
Yeah.
So wouldn't that be like another entry? Like
Oh.
like if I was to
Yeah, it could be, but like for me, like I see runners as runners are just meant for me to just be chill in a trade and just not look at it, don't care about it, whatever happens. Because if you enter a trade down here, it's a different story. If you enter a trade down here, this is like 20 pips, 14 pips, and then you can just have a runner and come up to here.
yeah.
That's normally what I would do,
Okay.
But yeah, I wouldn't really
I
usually when I have a runner, I don't really enter another position.
I got you.
Yeah, bro. No worries. Is it related to the type of market controller zone or something like that? The 6th New York video is the New York course I had in
November.
October.
Oh shit.
Yeah, October we went to New York for an in-person course. There was like 30 people who showed up. Well, like 25 to 30 people. Jay was there, yeah, we had that course and the video's coming out after 6 months, so beware. And there's gonna be a giveaway with the video too. So whoever wants that simulator that costs us $100, you get it for free.
Aren't you doing one in Toronto or something?
Yeah. When the virus ends.
Dang, so never.
Yeah. Probably I don't know. I was looking to do it in September, but like I don't know if it's gonna be okay by September, October.
Shit, maybe in the fall.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows?
We'll just see.
Yeah, I have one more question before I like hop off because I'm gonna be done for the day, right? So
What's up, bro?
it seems like I've been taking like L's and shit, right? But it seems like I've mostly been losing because I don't wait for the candle to close and then like I'm looking at it now on like I win most of my trades based off support. Like that trade I just took, I took it off the 15-minute support.
Yeah.
Usually but sometimes when I take my losses, I take my losses based off like breakouts. If that makes sense.
What do you mean? Oh, like this for example, this breakout.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
because like
I will enter off
yeah.
the breakout and not a support. Like I feel like I win more if I enter of a support.
Like down here, for example, yeah.
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 But, I see
It just depends where but like, let me ask you if this happens to you though. Does the trade like go your way, but it hits your stop loss first when it comes over a breakout range? Does that usually happen?
well sometimes I feel like I just um end up being like a fake out.
Oh, fake out? Well, like,
Yeah.
I think, like, cause like I never get stuck in fake outs because, like, one, because usually when fake outs happen, like, I'll be in profit obviously for the fake out. Like, if I were to get faked out, it'll come up in profit obviously first. It'll be like 10 pips whatever, and that's I'll move stop loss to entry, and then when it comes back down, back in the range, like, I wouldn't be in that position, like, anymore. Like, I'll get stopped out. So that's how I avoid fake outs. Just make sure every time there's a breakout, I just mostly just secure at 10 pips. Yeah, cause like if this were to be a fake out on GJ, then like obviously it's gonna come and break this low here, come down back in the range like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So at that point, this move up, which is the fake out, was like he should have secured at that point if this were to be a fake out, right? But yeah, like I don't know, yeah, like, I don't know, breakouts are pretty consistent though. They're pretty
Yo, I'm
consistent.
hopping off.
Yeah, bro. Peace.
Yeah,
I'm so tired.
that's
Yeah.
my boy.
Yeah.
Later, bro. Yeah. Yo, Jay, you been getting profitable more though?
I want to say like I've been just trying to be consistent. I should say.
Yeah.
Like
The hardest part. Yeah, that's the
I
hardest part.
I feel like my issue really is like not like it's particular. Moving my stop loss. I should say like because there's trades that I would enter and then I would hop out without even like letting my stop loss hit hit the previous wick or whatever, and it will eventually go that way. So I feel like I still have like that issue where I'm not letting like the move fully play out. It doesn't always hit my stop loss. Like like on my trades, it'll go my way, but it's how I'm maintaining that trade and
Yeah, because the most
whatnot.
important part is maintaining the trade. That's like the most important part. Because anyone can catch the 20. Like this 20 pip move, anyone can catch this, right? It's just some people like. It just depends how you exit, how you move your stops and stuff like that. Because like for example, like someone could because someone could still be in this trade right now, and some people could secure profits up here, or maybe it just depends on what you do with the trade. Like that's like a whole different level to the trade. It's not just entering a trade and like let it go, or how you manage the trade. And you just gotta keep sticking to that plan over and over again. If you're just always on secure 10 pips or whatever your comfort level is, just always secure 10 pips every time. Because the moment you think for a second, like I was talking to Jimmy last night about this. I told him that he told me that there was one trade he took. He got like really stuck onto the trade. He got really like what's the word? He fell in love with the trade, right? Yeah, he got really attached to that trade, and then he didn't want it to hit. Or he just let it run like super long and drawdown, and then it ended up like it didn't end up good, but like
and then demolished.
Like it was in profit at first, but like
30 pips.
30 pips, right? That's a solid amount of pips. So
Yeah.
if he were just whatever his comfort level was to secure profits or move stops to break entry, he wouldn't be in that position. Because the moment you trade for one trade and not trade for the long term, that's when you fuck up. When you just think, like when
magic key, because at the time, like I'm always thinking, like, should I close this? Well, if I had the magic key,
It's just like this, sir. The best advice, sir, someone gave me. It's like when you trade, bro, just like don't think. I don't know how to like fully describe it. Don't think. Like don't overthink. Just like straight up. You going if you want to go in for a buy, go in for a buy. Going for a sell, go in for a sell. As long as you got like your confirmations, got your candle closures, like good support and resistance, then go for it. Like don't hesitate when you see like a good setup,
Yeah.
Because bro, hesitation will lose you money, bro.
Yeah.
if GG closes below, is it a fake out? Potentially. It's just that like the 1 hour is not gonna close for another 48 minutes. So if the 15-minute close is bearish here, the 1 hour would be affected because this 1 hour we never know where it's gonna go, and we can still say this 1 hour is bullish until it breaks this low right here. So even if it closes bearish, the 15-minute closes bearish here, we still don't have a confirmation of it actually coming down yet. The 15 might look like it's coming down, but the 1 hour might just be a pullback to go up, right? We don't know that. That's the thing. The 1 hour is the low here. Yeah, that's how you incorporate like all the time frames. Yep. But it's New York Open. I'm expecting a push to go up.
Yeah, bro. Just like clear your mind once you hop on the charts. Don't whatever happened during the day,
Yeah.
previous day, I don't know, whatever. Like even if like, bro, if you wake up and have a bad day, just don't trade at all.
Yeah.
Trade with a clear mind. Just breathe, woosah, woosah. Tell you shit. Just don't let your
What
mind take a
what I
toll.
think I'm gonna do now is just what's it called, like, cause I feel like sometimes I'm still like I still get scared like looking at the drawdown and shit. So what I think I'm gonna do now is to
Look,
have my stop loss
like if
below
you're scared of like big drawdown, just drop it
Mhm.
lot size. Like no one's rushing in trading. It's cool to pop like I don't know 0.10s, 0.12s, take it slow or whatever. Like you don't have to pop like.
Like the thing is, like
20s or whatever.
I don't like drawdown too. So my way of working through it is the 10 pip. Like my comfort level is 10 pips. I secure 10 pips profit and let the rest run to entry. And that's how my runners go. Right, I always secure pips at 10. I always secure profits at 10 pips. No matter how good the trade looks, I always secure 10 pips. No matter if it looks like the cleanest shit, the cleanest trade that you've ever seen in your life, I will still secure 10 pips. Always. Because anything can happen. Because the number one common error with traders is that they don't know how to make withdrawals and they don't know how to secure profits. They just want to keep letting it run.
They wanna like.
But yeah, you gotta come to a point where you gotta say, just take profits. There's no reason for you not to take profit. You gotta trade. You gotta trade risk free, and But yeah, I know what you mean. Like you have trouble looking at drawdown. But yeah, like
Right, what I do now is I don't even look at I look at the chart, but like I don't look at the money side. Like I don't look at the money thing.
Yeah, the
I just
pips.
Look at like how much pips is that, and that kind of helped me.
Yeah,
I used to be down like let's say I'm down like $20, but that's only like 2 pips. Like what am I bugging? That's only like 2 pips. You feel me? So I'm getting more like better.
Yeah, bro. But yeah. Yeah. I mean, like, yeah, bro. If you're not scared of drawdown, then just drop the lot size, so don't have to worry about it. Like me, I used to pop like 0.25s, be fucking heart beating as soon as I click that red or blue button, my heart used to be beating through my freaking chest. I'm like, oh my god, I'm fucking scared I'm gonna lose this money. But nah, that's why I dropped the lot size. So I'm like, hell no. After I did that, I just became calm. Just breathe. Goddamn.
No, you're not wrong about that because I ended up dropping my lot size to like
Yeah, but
point.
yeah, like
five.
right, it's not a problem. Like, what's your current lot size? If you don't mind saying.
Nah, I'm on point 20.
0.20? Shit. Yeah, if you kind of comfortable with that, just drop it to, I guess like I don't know, like 0.15. I guess. So you like a little bit more peace of mind.
Yeah, the thing is, I told myself like I wanna drop to like a point 10 and be consistent with that before I even go to point 20.
Yeah. Like just up your lot size when you're like more comfortable. Don't up your lot size because people make more profit off a higher lot size because everyone's different skill level. Like your lot size and it's all depend on your skill level, not on how rich you trying, how fast you're trying to get rich. Like yeah, you can think of that. You can think like that and blow your account, but just think logically. Like it's okay to drop your lot size, be consistent with that, and like when you feel super uncomfortable, I don't know, pop like half standard and stuff like that. I don't know, whatever you feel comfortable with. Like just trusting the process, not rushing that shit.
Yeah, I'm like done like rushing in or blowing accounts. I'm done with that.
Fuck that shit.
No work.
Yeah, that's the
man.
hardest phase to get over. Once you get over that phase, you'll start seeing progression. That's the start of the progression.
Cause like that's like phase 2 of trading. After that, I don't know, last phone account or whatever.
No, that's like further down. I don't think that's phase 2 is like I gotta look for a mentor. That's the phase 2. Phase 1, you get in, you're excited about it, you wanna be an entrepreneur, you're like, oh, I wanna make money off this. Phase 2, you get lost a little bit, you're like, oh, it's not working, I gotta find a mentor, I gotta find a signal provider. That's phase 2. Phase 3, you know, and then it's like go through like all the over leveraging, all that stuff, and then eventually later on you go through like this is like the one of the last stages though. The moment you realize this, you start making actual changes, and you actually wanna make those changes and continue to grow, right? But like until then, you're just gonna be stuck in the stage where you're just gonna keep blowing accounts, over leveraging, making the same mistakes over and over again. Like, cause like, at that point you're just being like you're just chasing, you know. That's another
Chasing the
stage.
bones.
Chasing the
The
losses.
bones come to you, man.
Nah, I honestly think the hardest part about trading is managing your money. That's literally it.
Your bankroll, yeah.
Because if you know how to manage, then like, and you minimize your loss, then
A loss is short. Let runners run.
exactly.
You know.
I think I forgot who said. I think it was Uncle Dad who said this, but he was like, if you keep reloading your FT4 account, but you stop.
You're never gonna grow.
Yeah, you're never
Never
gonna
that,
grow.
bro.
Like once
Never.
if you blow your shit and then keep reloading, that's like you shooting that's like you shooting a gun, right? And like you keep missing on a person you're trying to hit, right? But you keep reloading it, and then you keep missing. So, what's the point, you know? Like say like you're in the military and you got one target, but you keep missing your freaking shot.
Bro, they'll kick your ass out right there.
Yeah. Like the military equivalent to kicking you out is you blowing your account.
So blessed.
Like, come on, man.
Yeah, like when
That's
you
the-
blow your account, you should take minimum, like this is like the bare minimum. You should take minimum 2 weeks off. And not just take 2 weeks off, just be like, okay, I blew my account, I need to take 2 weeks off to take 2 weeks off. No. You're taking 2 weeks off, just go in depth and look at what you did wrong. Look at all your trades, see what you did wrong. Because if you're just reloading the account and just telling yourself overnight, okay, I over leveraged on this trade, so I shouldn't do it tomorrow, I'll be fine. And you reload your account again, you're gonna keep blowing the account. You're not really doing anything. All you're doing is telling yourself that the mistakes instead of actually like fixing them, you know?
Because greed kicks in without you even realizing.
It's basically like this. It's like you smacking the fucking like you putting your money into the slot machine and smacking that shit consistently. And like keep losing money. That's basically like how it looks when someone reloads their account after they blow that shit. It's basically like
That
you
shit is impossible.
slapping a fucking slot machine stick.
Slap a 5 lotter?
RP Morgan. Yeah, man. People have like the slot machine mentality when it comes to trading. That's not how this shit go. People just think it's red button or blue button.
Yeah.
It's more to it than that.
Yeah, money.
Like yeah, you don't have to be a fire-ass trader to make money, but if you want to stay in this shit and make more money, then you have to learn like the ins and outs, the fucking psychology. It's more than you know, a few numbers and lines, shits like that. You know.
Psychology's the hardest, bro.
Yeah. Once you get in that, you're good to go, bro. I think that's the really hardest part, honestly.
Emotions, yeah. And
Emotions.
risk managing too.
You know how much books I read
Yeah.
about freaking emotions? That shit crazy.
Not many people know how to manage their risk.
I feel like what helped me with like emotions was just saying fuck it and start with a live account. 'Cause I used to just do demos, but like if you're not like what helped me was just not being able like not being attached to the money on my live account. So that helped me.
Yeah, just like I just don't use demo. The only time I use demo is like to freaking see like how much I have to put in to put like a new lot. You know, that's the only time I use demo. I don't use it like to I don't know, put in like trades I'll put on my line. Like that's why I got a line, so I can put it there. Remember, done does not pay bills. Live pay bills. Yeah, that's why.
The problem when people lose money is they close their trade too early without even letting it play out.
Yep.
Yeah, it's because like they get emotional and stuff and drawdowns. So if that's the case, honestly, just turn off your phone. That's it.
Throw your phone, bro.
Come back to it later.
Throw it to wall.
Yeah, it's okay.
Throw it to wall, bro.
Yo, like when I take trades during London, sometimes like I just enter my positions. I just go to sleep. Like it's whatever.
Good night.
I just tell myself, yo, at the end of the day, like it's 50-50. As long as you manage your risk well, you won't lose much, you know?
Yep.
Like at the end of the day, it's a buy or sell. Like it can go either up or down. That's it. Like
Yeah. Trading is not no Fibonacci fan. Elliott waves. Elliott psych, all that bullshit. It's just simple as, bruh. If you can't explain your trade to a little kid, then why? Then why like do all the extra shit? Like, bro, I could literally explain to a little kid what to buy, like why to buy and why to sell. Like that's how simple how my trading process is right now. Like my new switch up. I used to use all that shit. Not like the Fibonacci fan, all that bullshit. I used to use the fib retracement, quarter points, all that shit. I stopped.
yo, that shit doesn't even work, bro.
Quarter points, it's nah.
Bro, I don't buy that.
Finesse, bro. I got fucking finesse. Time finesse, bro. Nah, it was cool learning something new, but that's a time finesse. But yeah. Trading should be simple. Not easy, simple.
Bro, quarter points? Yo,
It does work though, I'm not gonna lie. That shit do work.
Right?
Huh?
Did you get that from Daniel Savage?
Nope. I got this from
What the heck?
My Life real quick.
Bro, half of them, like, you know what I don't like? Whenever, like, they put out, like, those trading, what's it called?
Testimonials?
No, like, it's like, I feel like, because, like, when you look at, like, their trading, like, their charts and stuff live, and then you look at their course or whatever, you're like, oh, they're not using that, right? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, like, I felt like, they're
just, like,
filler
price
videos.
action. No, because like the My Life real quick videos, those videos old as hell. It's just like 2015, 2014, like literally that shit old as hell.
Quick.
Yeah.
Blown account real quick.
I don't know. Yeah. You cool guy though. I'm not gonna lie.
Did you meet him?
Huh?
Did you meet him?
I'll talk to him. All the time. Cool, bro. Fuck with him.
You know, guys, gold broke it down to T 1710 tapped.
Oh yeah, news in 5 minutes.
Yeah, you got news in 5 minutes here.
And then 30 minutes, you got the feds. You got Powell.
As gold is breaking the high here, guys, we could be approaching 1715, 434.
For the boys.
For the boys.
Yeah. So if the day closes bullish like this today, then we have a high chance going up tomorrow. It's just that today I was a little iffy because this candle closed no bar and wick. So we gotta see how today closes. Candle's a 50-50 here.
I'm done for the week trading.
Bro. Oh man, it feels
yeah.
It feels so good ending your day early, bro, at like 9:30.
Yo, when I ended my day early yesterday, that shit felt great.
Yeah, bro.
Took that good ass sleep right after I got off. Bro, my eyes was barely opening, man. I was like, yo, I gotta get off now, bro. I can't watch the chart with them today, bro. They the homies and all, but I need some sleep.
Oh, GG came all the way back down. Fuck.
Fake out, right?
I ain't always fake out. Fib retrace.
Fib retrace.
Yeah, it hit the 0. Perfect. No cap. Like, literally, it hit that shit to the T and drop.
Yeah, I took profit at the perfect, literally at the
Took it
tip
right at the
top,
zero.
tip
You
top.
took it at the zero, bro.
Yeah.
That's where I put my TP at, but I just put it at the 132.
Like, I look, it's gonna go there. It looked like it was gonna go there. It's just like it still could go there.
Yeah,
Still
look,
could
as
go
long
there.
as this shit flips bullish in the next 3 minutes, I'm good. But if it closes,
Oh, you're still in
bearish,
it?
yeah, I'm still in it.
Yeah, like as long as we respect the low in the 1 hour, it should go up.
Yeah.
That's how I see it.
If it closes above
But-
that, I'm gonna probably enter.
If it closes above this 15 previous, I'm good. But if it don't, that I'm just straight up closing it. Yeah, bro.
Savage.
So what?
Some guy named Michael Savage.
Who's that?
I don't know. Like, I'm on IG. A bunch of people are just posting him up saying rest in peace on him.
Oh, they say Daniel Savage. I'm like, damn, what? Hello?
My man's hairline.
Chill, bro. Hell no. USD try. What the hell is that?
The lira, right? Turkey.
Never heard of it.
30 minutes left, guys, and go back to bed.
Yep. After this trade hit TP, I'm going straight. I'm hopping right into the bed. Naruto running to my room, bro. Just watch.
Nah, I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah, I'm calling it a day too. 20 pips. I made
Yeah.
I made a good 5% because I stacked her.
Are you still
That's
watching
3 days in a row. 5. What happened?
news? Are you still watching news on the live stream? You are, right?
What news?
That-
That's a speech, bro. That's gonna finish at like you're gonna see a move at like 9:30 or 9:15. That's a speech.
Oh, so you're ending the stream at 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, I usually end at 9.
Good man.
Sometimes like if it's like if we have nothing like no moves at all and we're still waiting for a move, then maybe like 9:30. But like past days, like I can technically end the stream at like 8 o'clock. Technically, because the rest of me is just gonna watch the charts and just analyzing, just having a talk with you guys, but chilling.
Animal Crossing vibes. Like, nah.
Nah, I don't look for my PC parts.
Bruh. How long?
Yo, what Ryzen did you have? Or Jay, you built your computer? Jay? Oh, he's not here. Yo, Lock,
He is? He's here, right?
I can't hear him.
I think he did.
What do you mean?
No, he's here, but I can't hear him. Oh, he dipped now.
Nah. Yeah, he said he
Wait.
did.
Yeah,
Hold on
yo,
real quick.
Lock, what process is he? Oh no, he's back. Where'd he go?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, what? You built your PC, no?
Nah.
Oh no.
I'm planning to, but the PC I have right now is not too bad.
Yo,
Oh,
Lock.
what's up?
No, I was gonna ask Lock. Yo, Lock, do you have what processor do you have?
So I told you.
Oh no, I'm
No,
not.
I told you Intel.
Oh yeah, you have Intel. You don't have Ryzen. But like,
No,
yo,
he
that Ryzen that you sold, how many things was it? How many what was it? Ryzen 5?
Yeah, I have to go back to the photo I sent you.
Was it 3600 or 2600?
Let me see.
Yeah, cause trying to build a proper PC.
You have all your boards already?
No, I'm picking. I'm like I have him out. He's gonna buy it. Trying to see. I'm trying to see if I should lower my CPU and have a higher graphics card, or balance it out. A GPU, man.
Oh, it's the
36.
37.
Oh fuck, 37.
Yeah, it's the 37.
Bro, how much you sell it for?
Oh, I have a GTX 1060 graphics card.
Sir?
actually.
What's an X? Oh, no.
GTX.
The X is at the end.
A GPU? Oh, that's your GPU, graphics card.
Oh, I sold this shit for like $3 alone.
Yeah,
I
like
didn't even know it was a 1060.
like
no,
that CPU that you have is like worth whatever you sold it for.
For me?
Yeah, that CPU is like $3.
I know. I sold that Ryzen for $3.
You still have one? Oh no, you don't have one.
No,
Fuck man.
Wait, when are you getting your PC done?
Hmm?
When are you getting your PC?
He has to look for the GPU.
I'm thinking because I don't know if I should lower my CPU and get a bigger GPU. Like if I should lower my CPU and get my bigger GPU, bigger graphics. You know what I mean?
Like how like what type of screen are you playing on? Like
My monitor?
or yeah, your monitor.
144 hertz.
Oh, no.
One MS. I don't know. I can lower my CPU. Like, you know, a shittier CPU, but is it worth it for the graphics card? Cause like, yo, I can still run yo with your RX 580, I can still run 1080p, no?
Yeah,
At 144.
pretty sure you can.
So much numbers going on right now. My mind can't handle this shit.
Too many numbers.
Too many numbers. 1060 or what?
1060.
Sound like y'all
70.
fucking describing car parts, goddamn.
Yo, I can't wait till the actual Valorant comes out, bro.
Bruh, you know, I fuck with that shit, bro.
The beta closed, right? Yeah.
No, it's still up. Shit lit.
For Valorant?
Yeah.
Shit hard.
I've been playing Warzone lately. I don't know.
Warzone?
Yeah.
I don't know, bro.
The Gulag.
The gulag.
The gulag.
Set your ass to the gulag. I think I want more gulags than actual Warzone games. I'm fucking 30-0 in the gulag. You cannot beat me in that bitch.
Nah, that's a fact.
30-0.
I have like 2 wins on Warzone, Joe.
I'm at 0 wins in the Warzone, 30 wins in the gulag. Leave me in the gulag. But what?
Bruh, I've been playing Overwatch still.
Overwatch, that shit hard, bro.
Yeah, bruh.
That shit look
I don't know.
fire
I
as
got
hell.
back into it recently.
Start getting back in the league. That shit's look fun.
Bruh, that game is still toxic, bruh. I played 2 games yesterday, bruh, in rank. Lost them both.
Bro, I didn't tell y'all this, but this is like way back then. Bro, I almost like punched the fuck out of my monitor one time.
Small boy.
Like, bro, look, I threw my keyboard, right? I'm like, fuck. And then look, I was going, look, my hand was like really like arcing back. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna destroy my fucking monitor. But again, I was like, nah, bro, this shit.
Nah, that game, bro, the community is so toxic. It's not even funny. It's so toxic.
Like, damn. Chill out. Like a loser. Nah, bro. Valorant's like toxic too, bro. Cause CS:GO players play this shit now.
Bro,
Hell
even
is
League
shit.
players go to freaking Valorant.
Duh.
Yeah. I mean, I used to play CSGO.
Bro, you
Nah,
play that
that's
shit.
real hard.
Yo, did anyone used to play CSGO here?
Nope.
No?
Nah, I didn't play it like that, but
It's my
I
first
like,
freaking
Yeah.
computer shooter, bro.
Because I was playing rank on that still.
Dang.
Oh my
Well,
god.
sweat.
I was so nasty with the sniper.
What are you like?
31. But I'm not. Damn. How many pips is that? Where's some pips? Nice. Yo, when I started doing forex, yo, like I've gotten signals right now. I was like, yo, are these TP and stop losses like as certain like is it like an institution like I just kept saying like why are they so precise, you know? Like when I got my first signal, I was like, yo, why is it here? But why isn't it there? Cause like they just send a signal. Yo, cause Locke, remember what's the guy? What's the guy? Not Ref Wayne, the other guy.
Ref Wayne?
No, not Ref Wayne, the other guy.
Sean?
No. Locke,
Get
remember?
money?
No, not that guy. Remember the other guy we paid? Remember the other guy we paid?
Joey?
No, not Joey. The other guy.
Oh, Joey is finesse, bro. Oh,
The other guy.
he is a fucking finesse, bro.
Which one?
Bruh, I forgot his name. It was after. It's not Apex. It was after Apex. But
Yo, Apex is freaking.
that was the first group I've been in. Those guys don't even trade no more.
Nah, they don't. I don't even know what happened to them.
Joey should quit doing signals, bro. Stop it.
What about your boy Get Money?
Who?
Get Money.
Bro, that dude is the most biggest finesse ever. Man.
Oh, wait, you actually know Get Money?
Yeah, I know him. I know
Yeah, he's
about him. I don't know. I know
you
like
know-
the fuck that shit. Bro, I think someone gave him like 15K.
Yeah, he's like, oh, we're doing a pot here. Everyone put their money in.
Bruh, yes, that's what it was. Yo, they was like, when do I get my split? This nigga ran off.
Yeah.
Bought a fucking car. He bought a Hellcat with that shit. Stupid ass boy.
Bro, that's the funniest shit ever. I'm like, how do you guys fall for that? Like if you
Are
look
you dumb?
if you look at his profile, you really think a guy like that trades? Like, come on, man.
Yeah,
It's
you have no
Come on,
common
man.
sense.
Go slugs in.
Bro, that guy's a pimp, bro. He ain't a trader.
He's a Cuban pimp.
Yeah.
He'll pimp you out before he catches it.
Big finesse.
Bruh, he used to have like, man, people used to ride for that man for no reason. I'm like, dude, he's finessing out.
Wait, how do you know Joey?
Who? Joey? Like, playing FOREX?
Oh hell no. You don't know Joey. I don't think you know Joey.
Oh, no, I don't know Joey.
He's too local.
I think I heard about Joey, but I don't know the whole thing.
The Ichiboku clown, man.
Are you talking about freaking Tyler Trades?
No,
Him?
Who's that guy?
bro. I
It's on
don't.
Tyler Trades.
I don't mess with these Instagram traders.
Nah, I think he read that.
Capper, man.
Seems legit. Seems legit. Nick Shondo, come on, bro. This ain't slick selling out, bro. This ain't freaking has an ad for signals. Like, come on, dog. I thought you better than this. And he fired, but why advertise signals? Pay $15. That's a good return. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's a good ass return.
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna head off here. Not really nothing too much here. I'm gonna head off here, yeah, because like GJ, if it comes back in the range, it's gonna come out and fill the range, probably come down, but you know, some trouble areas, probably gonna come down here and just in the range a little bit. Maybe might move later on during the day. I don't wanna. Pretty sure from here till like 9, there's not gonna be anything. I don't wanna sit and trade, so. Yeah, guys, see you guys tomorrow. Catch
Yo, your gold buy was actually good yesterday.
I told you it's a good call. Like I don't just call shit just to call stuff. Yeah, give you a full breakdown. But yeah, guys. I hope you guys have a good day and peace. Don't overtrade.